Today again we are back with another some new tricks in Excel. So today I'm going to discuss about the Excel wildcards, how you can use these wildcards. If you're not aware, this session will be really useful for you about the Excel wildcards. I'm going to explore about the logics, how we can build in the formula, in the search condition, and many others. Okay. So in Excel, we have three wildcards. One is star, another is question mark, and the third one is the tilde. Okay. So the star represents any character in the search condition or in the filter condition. Okay. And the next one is question mark. So question marks meaning if you are putting one question marks, it represents one character in the condition of the search or the filter. Okay, or in the formula. And if you are putting multiple, let's say if you are putting two question mark, it represents two character. If you are putting three question marks, it represents three character, and so on. Okay. And the tilde meaning it is going to remove these two wildcard. Okay, the effect of these two wildcard. If you are putting tilde along with this star, it is going to remove the effect of this star. If you are going to put the tilde along with the question mark, it is going to remove the wildcard effect of the question mark. Okay. So this is the logic. So let us use these three character in our formula or set condition. Okay. So here, as you can see, I have one table. Okay, with four columns: name, ID number, location, and tag ID. And here I got the name and I want to search the ID number from this table. Okay, so let us do the VLOOKUP. You can achieve this result using VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP. I'm going to use the VLOOKUP. Search value is this one. Table array is this one from column A to column B, and column index number I'm going to search with here. So the index number will be 2 and the exact match. Okay, hit enter and drag toward down. So you can see here I got some result, but I didn't get uh, many results, many value I didn't get. So the logic why I didn't get, let us analyze what is the reason behind this one. So in the Smith, we do not have the single Smith from this data set. Okay, if you search the Smith, copy this one and search in this one and filter. If you see here, I got three Smith. Okay, in this data set. So Smith plus there is one word. Okay, Smith space USNP, and before yes Smith I have U space and Smith space NP, and that last row is NP space Smith. So the meaning it is not giving the result because the Smith is not the single word. Okay, because we are searching the false means the exact match. So that's the reason we are not getting the value. So to get the value based on our logic here, the wildcard we are going to apply in our formula. Okay, so let us say we have a Smith. So before, if Smith is beginning with Smith, we should get this number. If it is ending with Smith, we should get this number. So we are going to use this star wildcard to achieve this result. Okay, so begin with Smith and ending with Smith. So if it is ending with Smith, if I'm going to apply the logic, I should get this ID number. If I'm going to apply the logic, if the Smith is begin with, I should get this ID number. Okay, to achieve this, we are going to edit this formula. Okay, to edit this formula, first we are going to search begin with Smith. Okay, to search the begin with Smith, after F2 you put here and double quote, then here you put the star. Okay, the star, and press enter. You can see here I got the result. I got the result, which is 10001. Now I'm going to search ending with Smith. Okay, I'm going to look up the value at the name which is ending with Smith. So remove this one, okay, and put the same thing here on the front. Before you have to put here double quote, and here you put a star, then before you have to you put here and press enter. So meaning we are going to search the ID number which is ending with Smith, which is, you can see here, giving me this result. So this is the logic to build the formula at the condition using a star. Okay, similarly if you use this star here, if you filtering with the star, it will give all the data set. Okay, but if you are filtering, let's say if you are going to filter the Smith here, which is ending with Smith, you put the star here. Okay, the star you put on the front, so it will filter only the name is Smith which is ending in your data set. Okay, which is this one, the same logic. And here if you put the star, the name, and the if you putting the star after, it will give the name is Smith which is begin with here, this one, same logic we applied. Okay, so this is the logic to apply the star in your formula. You can use the star in VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, count, countifs, and so on. Okay, as per your condition. Now we are going to use the question mark. Okay, so let me remove this data, and to use this question mark, let me take this word Smith. Okay, and let us search here the filter, do apply the filter. If I'm going to filter only the Smith, it will give me the 3 rows. Okay, now if you are going to filter any character before Smith. Okay, so here you can see, let's say you want to filter only this one, you do not want all this Smith name, it we should only get only this row. Okay, how you can achieve this one, you can see here is U space Smith space NP, meaning before Smith we have one character which is U. Okay, so this question mark, if you are putting here the question mark before Smith and space, it is not giving anything. Okay, so how you can search this one, so before you can put the question mark before and apply here one star, meaning we are going to search, it is giving us the NP which is this one. Okay, now you put here question mark and apply the star here, so now you will get the Smith, any character, one character which is begin with Smith. Okay, if you are putting the star at the beginning, at the beginning and you are searching any two character, let's say I'm going to search this one. Okay, let's say you want to achieve, you want to filter only this one, how you can filter this one, applying the question mark and the star. So here if you are removing everything and you are filtering Smith, okay, and getting the result this one, now I want to achieve only this one Smith. Before Smith I need only the character which is having two characters only. Okay, so the name is Smith, before Smith we need to filter only the data which is having only two character. Okay, so here I'm going to filter this one, so going to apply here two question mark, okay, space, and then I'm going to apply the star, sorry, the star. So it will filter only the last one. Okay, so meaning if you are applying one question mark, it is considering it will search one character. Okay, if you are putting two question mark, it will search two, and if you are putting multiple, as per your condition, it will search. Okay, as per your logic how you are going to search. So meaning this is question mark, meaning it will, if you are putting one question mark, one character, if you are putting two question mark, two or three, and so on. Okay, so this is the logic. Now if you are, you can see here I have here tilde, star, and the question mark. So if you are going to search here, let's say I'm going to search the question mark, it is not giving us anything. Okay, because this is considered as a wild card. So here what you are going to put here, you are going to put the tilde, okay, before the question mark, then only it will give you the result of the question marks only. You can see here, now I'm able to filter only the question mark data. Okay, so meaning this tilde is going to remove the effect from these two. Okay, so here you can see here we have a star. How you can filter only the star? If you are putting the star here, it will give all the data set. It will not going to filter only the star. So to get the data, wherever we have a star, we need to apply the, we need to apply the tilde. Okay, this one. So this is the logic today I wanted to show you guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. Thank you for your time.